My name is Matthew Castillo, and I'm the Chief of Police for the Miami Springs Police Department. And at the Miami Springs Police Department, we believe that the implementation of the school speed zone system will be a great tool to slow drivers down and bring awareness to our school zones. The safety of our students is a top priority, and this system will help us achieve that goal. So where are the cameras located, and at what schools? The cameras are located within the schools at Miami Springs Senior High School, Springview Elementary, Miami Springs Montessori, Miami Springs Elementary, Miami Springs Middle School, and the AIE Charter School. These areas were carefully selected to ensure the highest level of safety for students and to improve overall compliance with speed limits in these zones. So how does the cameras work? The cameras are installed within the school zone and detect the speed of vehicles traveling through the area using radar or laser speed detection equipment. If a vehicle is going more than 11 miles per hour over the posted speed limit, a video clip and photos of the vehicle are captured.
My name is Officer Diaz with the Miami Springs Police Department. How will drivers know where these cameras are located? There are clear signs posted prior to entering the school zone. These signs notify drivers that they are entering a photo-enforced area and encourage them to slow down for the safety of our students. The cameras are active 30 minutes before school starts, throughout the school day, and 30 minutes after school ends. They are not in operation outside of school hours, on holidays, when there is no school, or on the weekends. Drivers will receive a notice of violation if they are traveling more than 11 miles per hour over the posted speed limit in the school zone. The registered owner of the vehicle will receive a $100 violation in the mail. The violation does not add points to your driver's license and will not affect your insurance. Violations can be paid online, by phone, or by mail. If you are not the driver, you can submit an affidavit to indicate who was behind the wheel. If no action is taken, the violation will be converted into a uniform traffic citation and transferred to county court.
So what do we do with the money collected? The distribution of money collected from the fees is regulated by Florida state statute and will be used to offset the cost of the school crossing guard program and other public safety initiatives. A significant benefit of having these cameras in school zones is that enforcement will happen every day that school is in session. It does not depend on our staffing levels here at the Miami Springs Police Department. The enforcement is fair, consistent, and encourages drivers to adjust their behavior, knowing that they are always being monitored while driving in school zones when school is in session. These cameras allow us to ensure school zone safety every day without pulling law enforcement officers away from other critical duties in the community. This way we can focus on other priorities while still ensuring our students are protected.
Ideally, drivers will become aware of where the cameras are and slow down in the school zones. This should significantly lower the chances of students being injured while traveling to and from school.
Drivers should always be mindful and extra observant in school zones. Lower speeds and increased pedestrian movements require full attention. Drivers should put their phones down, obey the speed limit, and always be on the lookout for children and other pedestrians. Your attentiveness could save a life.